What up, YouTube? Hey man, we might get lucky on the C10 today. I found this '04 Chevy Avalanche with the 5.3 liter two-wheel drive. It's only got about 168,000 miles on it. So I'm gonna try to snatch it under 500 bucks. It was a rollover, so every part of this truck is damaged, man. All the glass is busted out. The quarter panel, both doors, the fender, the hood, the top, the roof. I mean, the only thing that looks good on it is the front bumper. Everything else is fucked up. So with that being said, there's no parts on it to sell, so not too many junkyards is gonna be looking at it unless they're just trying to get it for a drive for the motor and trans. So this should lower the amount of people bidding on it. So I should be able to snatch it no more than 500 bucks, six at the most. But if it goes over five, I'm just gonna let it go and just continue looking for something like this, something that's fucked up, rolled over, that I can get it for real dirt cheap. But it says it still runs and drives, and I won the pre-bid for 25 bucks. Usually that's that's where they start you out at $25. So that means nobody even bidded on it, nobody even pre-bidded on it. So that's a good thing. So it should still go for pretty cheap. We'll see. It's number 625. It's in A. It's in lane A, number 625. We're in lane A, but we're at number 45. So we got a lot more cars ahead of us. But once it pops up, we'll try to get it. Like I said, if it goes over 500 bucks, I'm not going to get it because I'm trying to junk the body so I can get at least some of my money back. So if I can get it for 500 bucks, junk the body and get 250 out the body, I paid $250 for a motor trans. So, but that's the plan.
Good morning,
We'll
YouTube. It's Tuesday, November 5th, and we locked and loaded, ready to go. That should be all right. Let's go get this motor and trans for the C10. All right, we heading Little Rock, Arkansas. So see y'all when we get there. We heading there.
Man, I'm sorry. I thought the video was recording and it wasn't. So by the time I backed it to this spot, man, and walked back up to the camera, it was dead. So it had to have turned off like as soon as I pressed record, and I don't know. But anyway, I give you guys some footage of it running and driving a little bit later. It actually runs and drives great. I backed it to this spot and it's on 3 flats. So the transmission is strong. The motor is nice and quiet and runs smooth. No knocking, no ticking, no nothing. So great buy, great buy. I got it under 900 bucks. So it's a great buy. And soon as we get all the performance parts in, the headers, the stall, the cam, the lift, the intake, the in-tank pump, the rear end gears. Once we get everything in, I get the engine bay painted, I get the frame painted, I get the front steering suspension on. Once we get all that done and get all the parts, then we'll go ahead and start snatching the motor out of this. But right now, this is where it's gonna sit, and we finna start getting on painting the engine bay and getting these turning parts and these suspension parts ordered. So once they come in, we get back on it. So see you guys in a minute.
This is the final video of the SiK10 build. Mainly because I do a lot of trucks. I did the S10, I did the Duramax, I did the Blazer. I'm doing a full size. Just got tired of doing trucks, so I want to build a G body. So I sold the SiK10 to buy a G body body. I got a couple that I'm looking at now. I'm gonna try to make time to go look at them this weekend, and if they turn out to be what the people say they are, then I'm gonna snatch one, and then we're gonna pick up where we left off on the SiK10. The SiK10 is already sold, it's gone. Excuse me. The next video you guys see will see the new owners taking it off the lot, and that's it. So this is the last and final video. Once I get the G body, we'll start building that. So, all right, y'all.
Yeah. Yeah, you run across one of them setups, man.
Okay, I'm gonna look at the auction next week and I'm gonna see what they got.
My contact info.
Yes, sir.